Welcome to the Blockchain Report, where we discuss all things blockchain technology, digital assets, DeFi, NFTs, and much more. Today's video, we begin the Superchain campaign on Layer 3. This began August 16th, which today's August 17th, and this video will probably come out later in the week. So you have until August 30th, so 2 weeks from now, maybe a week and a half from when this video will post, but we will try and get this out to you as soon as possible. But these are pretty easy. It looks like these are all just checking to see if you have bridged into each one of these networks, and also a little bit about Superchain security. And there's also a staking reward bonus campaign in 17 days, so at the end of this. But if you have to have at least 10K tokens staked. But we will dive into this and more. But before we get started, thank you so much for joining. Please like, subscribe, comment, share this out to anyone you think would be interested in blockchain technology, all the fun stuff we get to learn, and cool rewards we earn along the way, like these cubes, and these staking reward quests, and the races that they've been doing, all kinds of cool mechanisms that are incentivizing people to keep using the platform. And I think it's great. And not only that, but Layer 3 they've gotten so many what's called grants. They're similar to grants from projects like Optimism. Optimism gave one of the highest allocations of their grant proposal in the last round to Layer 3. So Layer 3 is distributing all these OP tokens that they received to users, like this. They do these special rewards where you have to stake a certain amount of tokens, and sometimes it'll say 6 months or a year, and you will get a certain amount of OP tokens or Arbitrum tokens or whatever they tie to this. So it's pretty cool seeing these reward mechanisms. And if you do need any help navigating this further, please jump in the Discord. We have a link in the description below. A lot of amazing people in the community. I appreciate you all so much. And those of you who are new, welcome and thank you for joining us. But let's dive into this. Enough of chit chat. Let's dive in. Superchain campaign. Welcome. So join the Superchain campaign, complete quests and streaks with OP rewards exclusively for L3 stakers. So which is your favorite Superchain network? I like the base just because of the campaigns they've been doing. What apps should we include in the campaign? All of them. So you can skip that or follow them on Warpcast if you have Warpcast. If you don't, check out our videos. Yeah, search Warpcast in the search function on YouTube. You'll find it. And then next up, I guess we'll have to go through each one of these. So Superchain security, we'll fly through all of these. Only 6. All right. So Superchain security. In the decentralized finance DeFi world, security is key. Layer 3 cares about user safety, listing only audited and reliable projects. However, personal operational security, or OPSEC, is critical for Layer 3 and beyond. Use Layer 3's multi-wallet feature to stay safe. Separate your assets across multiple wallets. Use one for daily transactions and another for storing large amounts. This reduces risk and limits exposure. Always double check URLs right here and avoid clicking on suspicious links. Bookmark important sites and access them directly to ensure safety. As if you go to right here, go to crypto, and you see all these bookmarks right here. I have all this stuff that helps keep me in check. And also I have different wallets that hold different amounts. So after I got, that hack, I definitely store stuff in a wallet that's not accessing a bunch of different sites. Use two-factor authentication on all your accounts to add an extra layer of security. This helps protect against unauthorized access and enhances your account's safety. And that's what I really like about Layer 3's multi-wallet feature, is because you can remove a wallet and add a different wallet as your primary wallet and still keep all your progress, everything. So learn about operational security here and connect a secondary wallet, which we've done many times. So revoking unnecessary contract approvals helps protect your assets from unauthorized access and potential hacks. Revoke cache and Rabby approvals are tools that allow you to review and revoke token approvals, helping you secure your assets. Connect your wallet, review existing contract approvals, and revoke any unnecessary permissions. So you can do that here. If you have the Rabby wallet, go to approvals and it will come up with this nice little window, and they just added this feature recently, so you can do batch revoke. So you can click right here and revoke, and it'll say batch or do one by one, and you can batch revoke 9 approvals with one click. And I won't do that now, but this is a great feature. And also, if you don't disconnect from these apps, you want to go to more and then connected dApps and disconnect all. So when you're done at the end of the day or at the end of your session, you can go in there and disconnect. All right, that's it for that one. We can go on to the OP mainnet. So once you completed the first one, have you bridged to OP mainnet? Verify that you hold any amount of ETH on the mainnet. If not, you can go to Super Bridge and just bridge tokens over. And Base, same thing. You can go to Super Bridge, verify that you hold ETH. Same with Zora and also Mode, the Mode network. So on Super Bridge, you can connect. I don't think I've ever used Super Bridge before, but let's say we want to go to Zora. You can go from, oh, it looks like only from Ethereum. No. Okay, let's go back. OP. Oh, it looks like it's only from, okay, so this is a Super Bridge from Ethereum network, to and from the Ethereum network. So we won't use that. There's plenty others. Gas.zip is an amazing one because you select what chain you want to send from. So if I want to send from Optimism to Base, if I want to send from Optimism to Base, connect my wallet, go here, select Optimism, and then select the amount or type in the amount up to $50. So if you want to send $3, you can send it. And what chain do you want? I want to send it to Base. So we're going to go from Optimism to Base, send $3, boom. And it's Ethereum only. So keep that in mind, but it is quick, it is super cheap, and it's a great tool if you're in a hurry. So there you go. Each one of these have been done. We're going to skip those, and bada bing, bada boom. You have now finished the Superchain campaign. Well, part 1. There might be more added, so I will keep you updated. But yeah, that's pretty much it. If you do need any help actually navigating this, I'll put all the links and stuff in the description, so just check it out there, or just type in gas.zip if you don't feel safe putting the link. But yeah, so with that, please don't hesitate to reach out and ask questions in the Discord. We have a wonderful community, so thank you all. I appreciate you. And with that, this is the Blockchain Report. Have a wonderful day, homies. Peace.